Hi again. In this lesson we're going to talk about how to calculate natural logarithm in Python programming language. In order to do that, first what we need to do is to import the math module. Then we're going to call log method from the math module, and inside our method as an argument we will provide a number for which we want to calculate the logarithm. Okay, the base of natural logarithm is approximately 2.73, and if you want to find the natural logarithm of this constant e, you will put as an argument approximately 2.73, and we will get result close enough to the number 1. That's all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.